Welcome to Hawaii! Hula dance party is about to start. Let's make a hula skirt. Hula skirt? Is it a skirt made of grass? Right! This is the feature of Hawaii. Let's check it out! First, let's weave the leaves into a circle. Will be the prettiest hula skirt at the dance party. The hula skirt will be more beautiful with shells on it. Shells! I love shells! 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 Where are you? Ah! The crab has hidden the shells. Can you find them? Uh-oh. Nothing found. This is not a shell. Uh-oh. Nothing found. Uh-oh. Nothing found. Uh-oh. Nothing found. Wonderful! You found so many shells! Then, let's make 2 beautiful bracelets. Let's string the